Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and I want to tell you why I went looking for a face shield, but I came away with this TR Industrial Forestry safety helmet with hearing protection, and I'm really glad I did. First off, the metal mesh screen was exactly what I needed, and I just didn't know it. Well designed for forestry work, working with chainsaws, it also is great for any other small bits that might be flying at your face at dangerous speeds. I found the fit of the helmet to be very comfortable, pretty similar to any other construction helmet, especially with the tightness adjustment in the back. The hearing protection was also comfortable and effective with a 26 decibel noise reduction rating. While I really like the metal mesh face protection, and I'll probably use that most, I'm also really happy they included a plastic visor, which would be great for working with any dangerous liquids. Even though it does all three, I'm really happy that you can easily remove the visor if you're not going to use it, or you can also move the hearing protection easily up onto the helmet and out of the way if that's not something you need. So if you're looking for PPE to protect your face, your head, and your hearing, I think this TR Industrial Forestry Safety Helmet with hearing protection offers all of that at a very reasonable price, and it's very practical and effective. And that's my point of view.